This is your extreme weather outlook for this Friday, January 18th. I'm meteorologist Daniel Kaiser. We have winter storm warnings from the upper Midwest into the Northeast associated with our next winter storm moving through the region. That system on the warm side will bring a severe storm threat to parts of the southern United States, and then behind that we have a cold push of air. But as we look at our winter concerns map, we do have winter storm watches and warnings as well as winter weather advisories from the Dakotas all the way out into the Northeast associated with this winter storm. Today we'll see snow across parts of the upper Midwest pushing into the Ohio River Valley with some ice as well as we go into Friday night. Meanwhile, as we go south into the southern plains, that's when our severe weather threat starts to ramp up Friday night across the region, pushing into the southeast on Saturday as snow pushes into the Northeast as well this weekend. We'll start off in the upper Midwest. We could see a band of 6 to 10 plus inches of snow from Sioux Falls all the way out to Cleveland. Part of that 10 inches of snow in Chicago late Saturday and into Saturday night will be due to lake effect snow. We're also watching the icing potential, especially across parts of the Ohio River Valley as we go throughout the next few days. Taking you to the Northeast now, we could see a band of 1 to 2 feet of snow across parts of the Northeast, with Boston seeing over 9 inches of snow and about a 1/4 inch of ice. Parts of Connecticut into Rhode Island and Massachusetts through the weekend could see a 1/4 to a 1/2 inch of ice. Taking you to the warm side of the system now, we do have a marginal threat of severe weather late Friday and into Friday night across parts of the southern plains into the lower Mississippi Valley, damaging winds, large hail, an isolated tornado or two of the main threats. That becomes a slight risk as it moves east into Saturday with damaging winds, the main threat. Meanwhile, we're also watching the cold air sinking in behind the system. Highs on Friday in International Falls and Fargo will be below zero, but a low Saturday morning expected of -29 in International Falls, even colder when you factor in the wind. That cold air continues to sink south and east as we go into the weekend, with only a high of 44 expected in Dallas on Saturday.